Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to talk about the two stocks I'm buying for the month of July here. And before we do that, of course, we'll go through the portfolio, and then we will show you guys what we're starting off for the beginning of the week here, and then we'll talk about the two stocks I'm buying. And so we will get right into it here. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. And so we will get right into it here. On the day here, the portfolio is closing out at $5,822.29. On the day, we are down $22.51, down 0.39%. For the 1 week, we are up $12.80, up 0.22%. For the 1 month, we are up $27.43, up 0.47%. For the 3 months, we are up $320.76, up 5.83%. For the 1 year, we are up $952.29, up 19.55%. And for the all is the same. So the first position we have here is BCE, which is Bell Canada, ticker symbol BCE, closing out at $61.53. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Bell Canada, ticker symbol BCE. Next position we have here is Bank of Montreal, ticker symbol BMO, closing out at $126.68, down 64 cents on the day, down 0.5%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Bank of Montreal, ticker symbol BMO. Next position we have here is Bank of Nova Scotia, ticker symbol BNS, closing out at $79.34, down 82 cents on the day, down 1.02%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Bank of Nova Scotia, ticker symbol BNS. Next position we have here is Cisco Systems Inc., ticker symbol CSCO, closing out at $52.98. We are down 56 cents on the day, down 1.05%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Cisco Systems Inc., ticker symbol CSCO. Next position we have here is Loblaws, ticker symbol L, closing out at $76.11, down 61 cents on the day, down 0.8%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Loblaws, ticker symbol, ticker symbol L. Next position we have here is Manulife Financial Corporation, ticker symbol MFC, closing out at $24.31, down 31 cents on the day, down 1.26%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Manulife Financial Corporation, ticker symbol MFC. Next position we have here is Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM, closing out at $141.19 USD, down $1.39 today, down 0.97%. Here is the snapshot of the position there. And again, that is Qualcomm, ticker symbol QCOM. Next position we have here is Royal Bank of Canada, ticker symbol RY, closing out at $125.98, down 40 cents on the day, down 0.32%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Royal Bank of Canada, ticker symbol RY. Next position we have here is TELUS Corporation, ticker symbol T, closing out at $27.75, down 14 cents on the day, down 0.5%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is TELUS Corporation, ticker symbol T. Last position we have here is Toronto Dominion Bank, ticker symbol TD, closing out at $87.25, down 39 cents on the day, down 0.45%. Here is the snapshot of the position here. And again, that is Toronto Dominion Bank, ticker symbol TD. In the cash account, we have $223.22. Every week, we put $100 into this account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And here's the proof for the $100. Okay, as we always do. And then, yeah, that's pretty much the portfolio for the day. Just scrolling through. Here's the watch list that will eventually be added to the portfolio, as I'm sure many of you are aware now or picking up on. And what two stocks am I updating or increasing position in? The first one is Royal Bank of Canada, ticker symbol RY. We currently have 7 shares of this one. We will continue to add shares for the month of July. It holds about 15.75% of the portfolio. So that's the first one. And the next one possibly is Bank of Montreal, ticker symbol BMO. Wanting to increase this position as well. They both hold about 15.84% of the portfolio. We only have 7 shares, I think, of each. And again, that is Bank of Montreal, ticker symbol BMO. So I'm sure a lot of people have probably wondering why I'm not expanding a lot, buying new shares. And the reason is we want to be able to increase the existing positions. I don't want to just have less than 10 shares of something, less than 15, and so on and so forth. I continue want to build and fortify my positions within these company stocks. And that's why you have Bank of Montreal and Royal Bank. If you haven't noticed, I know a lot of people are like, why do you buy so many financial banks or all these companies, and you're heavy on the banking side. And that's okay. I totally understand why that may be. And the thing is, when it comes to the bank stocks, we have to realize that the majority of these bank stocks that I have in this portfolio are in the TSX 60. So just so you are aware of that, if you don't know what the TSX is, it's the Toronto Stock Exchange, made up of the top 60 companies, I believe. I think it's exactly 60 because I know the S&P 500 is not exactly 500 as it's weighted. And if you don't know what weighted means, when it comes to weighted portfolios, what that means is they are heavier on one sector in an industry when it comes to the S&P 500, the TSX 60. And just to give you an idea, each sector is weighted. So it has a percentage that would equal out to roughly 100%. And that gives you your portfolio. Okay. And why do I not buy the TSX 60? Is because I want the dividends. I'm building a dividend portfolio. If you're expecting growth, the TSX 60 is great for that. And so just to give you an idea, the TSX is weighted in the financial services, what is in the TSX 60. Okay. So first one is Bank of Montreal. We have that in the portfolio. Next one is Bank of Montreal. Or I said that. Bank of Nova Scotia is in there. Bank of Montreal. So that's 2 of the big 5. Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, which is number 3. We have Toronto Dominion Bank in there, which is number 4. And RBC is not in there. Okay. RBC, Royal Bank. Oh yeah, Royal Bank of Canada is in there. The big 5 are in the TSX 60. Okay. A lot of people are like, why are you so heavily weighted in financials? In the TSX 60, 31% of the portfolio is in the financial sector, not including just the 5 big banks. You have Power Corporation, you have Sun Life Financial, Brookfield Asset Management. What else is in there? Manulife. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so you have all these companies in there. If you didn't know, Canada's biggest sector is not oil and gas. It is actually their financial sector. Canada has one of the strongest financial systems in the world, just so you know. And so it would make sense that my portfolio, my dividend portfolio, luckily they all pay dividends, is heavily weighted in the financial sector. So everyone who's like, oh, you're so heavily weighted in the bank sector, just to clarify why that is probably because the TSX is weighted heavily in that sector as well. Okay, the next one is the energy sector. So we're talking oil and gas. That is the second biggest industry in Canada, which comes in at 14.82%. I don't know when this was last updated in 2020. The next one is materials. If you go through that you will see a lot of these companies that you've heard of probably, and a lot of Canadian investors invest in, okay, because they are strong companies and they are in the top 60 in Canada in the TSX, okay. Materials comes in at 13.63%. Industrials 10.71%. Information technology 10.45%. Communication services holds 6.67%. Consumer staples 4.59%. Consumer discretionary 3.43%. Utilities 3.26%. And the smallest sector is healthcare, which comes in at 0.74%. Okay. So anybody who's like, oh, you're really heavily weighted in the financial sector, it makes sense. They all pay dividends. We're building a dividend portfolio. Go to the TSX and check. Majority of the portfolio is weighted in the financial sector. That is the reason why. I do have other companies like the US companies in there, like Qualcomm and Cisco Systems. And as you can see, there's going to be other ones added in there for my watch list. Because I don't like to invest just in Canada, which some people are against. But I just feel that our technology sector is not as strong as the US. Remember, the US holds big companies like FANG. So Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. Those are massive companies, massive tech companies. And that is the reason why, okay? So if anyone is kind of blowing a fuse because I'm heavily weighted in the financial sector, it makes sense. The majority of the companies in Canada are in the financial services and they all pay dividends and we want the dividends, okay? So if you're not wanting to build a dividend portfolio, then please invest in the TSX 60. That'll give you a wide spread. But remember, the majority of it is in the financial sector, which is 31% based off of May 6, 2020, okay? Anyways, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Just wanted to throw that out there. Now you know the two stocks I'm buying for the month of July 2021, which are Bank of Montreal and Royal Bank of Canada. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm definitely not your financial advisor. So if you are seeking professional advice, go find a licensed professional. I'm just a guy on YouTube building a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. Have a great week, and we'll see you in the next video when we update our next position. Bye.